If your Telegram account is limited, restricted, or you're suddenly unable to send messages, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to check the reason, see whether the restriction will expire automatically, and submit an appeal if you believe it was a mistake. This is a quick and simple fix, and it can save you a lot of time, compared to guessing what went wrong. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's go step by step. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop. At the top, use the search bar and type @spambot. Make sure you select the official bot account. You should see a verified blue checkmark, which helps confirm that you're opening the real Telegram bot and not a fake one. Once you've opened the bot, tap Start. The bot will immediately check your account status and tell you whether your account has any limits applied. In many cases, it will also show you an estimated date and time for when the restriction will automatically expire. This is really useful because sometimes the limit is temporary and all you need to do is wait it out. Now, pay close attention to the message from the bot. It may explain what kind of restriction you have, such as limits on messaging or other actions. If the limit is temporary, note the expiration time so you know when things should return to normal. If you believe the limit was applied by mistake, look for the appeal option inside the bot chat. Telegram usually gives you a button or message that lets you say, "This was a mistake." Tap that option to submit your account for review by Telegram's moderators. After you send the appeal, just wait for Telegram to review the request. Depending on the case, they may remove the restriction, keep it in place, or let it expire on its own. The important thing is that you've officially checked your status and submitted the correct appeal instead of repeatedly trying random fixes. If the bot says your account is limited for a set amount of time, don't panic. That usually means the restriction is temporary. If the bot gives you an appeal option, use it once and be clear that you believe the restriction was a mistake. Avoid spamming the bot with multiple appeals, because one clean request is usually enough. To recap, the process is simple. Search for @spambot, open the verified official bot, tap Start, check your restriction status, and if needed, tap "This was a mistake" to appeal to Telegram moderators. That's the fastest way to handle a limited Telegram account problem. If this video helped you fix your Telegram issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.